Today we are going to start with the same thing but a new model of design. So some of the things have been not very clear in instruction to audible. So just we are briefing once again everything for today. So after briefing we will do a design and we'll give you the work of assignment which has been only done only one student. The student name is Likita. She has uploaded the design of American Bank which we have asked her to do. At least she has tried, and also she has installed the canvas. Screen also has been uploaded. Okay, so for today we'll give the repetition of the thing. Tomorrow we'll have about the content of the SQL. Okay, sequential query language. SQL is a backend process which is important for this one, so that we are going to see. And after seeing this one we'll go for the next thing, that how to have the process of the implementation, and that is the cleaning and everything that we are having, all these things. Just because there is a small gap of communication, I think I am expecting, so that's why I'm giving a brief information about the Power BI of basic things, and the visualization part once again briefly for some other data, not the data what we have done previously. Okay, we are going to do the process of visualization process for some other information of data. So initially we are having this canvas screen. This is called report view screen. So this is called canvas boarding. Okay, this is called the canvas boarding, and this is called your table view. So where it will show you the tables of the sheet what you have been extracting. And next one is about, this is called your model view. So what are the sheets that are there, it will show the content that is available in those sheets that is been given here. Okay, so after that we are having about this DEX files. So it is not much required right now. So definitely when we require data analysis expression, then we'll use them. So now I'm clicking the report view what we are having here. So in the report view we are having the home tab, which shows you that you are having different versions of the data sources from where you can extract the data into this Power BI. So we are given that information. If you want to move the data from Excel sheets, or if you want to move the data from any models or SQL servers or text CSV web servers or anything, you can do that. So that is the intention of this one. Even you can have more of them. So if you want to see, you have been having, you can move the data of text CSV files or XML file and JSON file, okay, JavaScripting file, or from the folder, or from the PDFs, or from the SQL servers, or IBM database servers, or Azure servers. All the databases what are there, some defined databases are also being used here, which even you can get the data from Snowflake also, which has been there to import your data. And you can bring your data from your Azure informations or anything, or you can bring the data from the Google Analytics or Adobe Analytics, from web based, and also from the R scripting, or anywhere, from anywhere you can bring all the information, and you can give that information to be loaded in the Power BI. So like that we'll be getting the data into the Power BI. Okay, that is the intention of that. So whatever the changes you want to do, you can go for doing the changes by using some visualizations. There is more visualizations or new visualizations what we have. In the right side what we are having, this is your data pan, which is making you to extract the information which is to be loaded here. And this is your visual pan, where you want to keep all the visuals that are to be selected is being shown here, the build visual. And the next one is having here is nothing but, this is a visual in terms of format page. This is another one which is available. Okay, this is the format page.
So the page what is this?
Yes, is it is visible? Wait once again. Now it is visible.